Welcome everyone. I'll be explaining the difference between a fully canvassed and a half canvas suit. We'll be starting from a half canvas suit. This half canvas suit will have the wording and the canvas placed together, and a needle will be used in passing thread all through it, or you can actually use your sewing machine to stitch it, but I prefer to use my hand needle to hem all through, just so both can be properly placed. There should be no lagging when you are placing your canvas over your wording. And after doing that, a strand of hairstay will be placed on the front part and will also be held by the hemming of the needle, and that will be part of the finishing when you are actually working on your suit. So the finishing will entail you using your steam iron to hold down this particular strand of hairstay you see me join into the half canvas. So I will make use of my hand needle to hold it down. Then it will be attached to the suit during the finishing of the suit with iron. The iron will be a steam iron. The water vapor, like the water in the iron will, the hot vapor from the iron will hold it down. So everything will be done just like that. Now this is a typical full canvas suit. If you follow my videos, you would see that I started the making of this suit from scratch until I got to this point. So you can actually follow my videos to see how I finally end this suit. So for the full canvas suit, the wording actually ends where it ended for the half canvas suit. But the canvas for the full canvas suit extends from the shoulder down to the downline of the borders of the suit. So as you can see, it covers all the front chest, then tiny parts of it are actually used for the tummy and the hip line. So after hemming, there are meant to be ruffles, and that is what we're actually using the pressing iron to straighten out. So I used my hand needle to hem the suit canvas. The suit canvas has no gumming ability. It is just a plain malleable material. So after hemming, you use your pressing iron to straighten things, and that's that. Do well to subscribe to the channel and follow up on other videos. If you have any question, please let it be known on the comment section. Thanks for watching.